beautiful people. Hello. Oh, I got lipstick on my teeth. No, I haven't. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of, I can't spell my words out then, an unboxing of the Look Fantastic Christmas box. I'm sorry I'm a little bit late with this one. You know, I had a little bit of a break over Christmas, had like all my uni deadlines and all that stress, and then I had a week off just to chillax and to kind of catch up and pre-film lots of videos for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing the Look Fantastic beauty box for December and going through what was in the beautiful box. I think the packaging on this one is beautiful. Let's just get straight into it. This was very kindly gifted to me from Look Fantastic, just to make you aware, just for me to share it with you guys. It's not like a paid post or anything like that. It just was gifted to me to share with you guys. So as always, it comes with the little booklet inside. If you wonder what lip combination I've got on, by the way, it is the MAC Cork Lip Liner with the MAC lipstick in the shade Myth, which I absolutely love. It's quite browny. I forgot how brown Cork was. I actually haven't even opened this. That's how kind of into my deadlines and everything I kind of got. I just neglected everything. So let's just see what's inside. Oh, it's very Christmassy and loving the gold sparkle in it. And let's just get straight into it. So the first thing we have is one that you could get either this or a pink clay mask. I've actually already got the pink clay mask, so I'm glad that I got this one. So this is the Percy and Reed Session Hold Hairspray 50ml one. This is a ultra fine, humidity resistant and flexible but firm hold hairspray that will help to keep your hair styled for all day long. Really like the fact that it's humidity resistant because my hair goes so frizzy so quickly, especially with like the heating and stuff. So yeah, you got that in the box. You also got a brush from Brushworks, if I can spit my words out. This is the double-ended eye brush. Ooh, okay. So it's an eyeshadow brush that has a shading brush on one side, and then the other side is like an eyeliner kind of brush. And this is just what it looks like. Really nice brush. Really nice quality as well. So you got that in this month's box. Ooh, then we have these. These are the Jekka Black Champagne Glow Drops. These are vegan friendly, cruelty free, and it's basically obviously the highlighting kind of drops for your face. So let's see what this looks like. I think I might actually put this. Ooh, that looks really nice. I think I'm gonna put this into a giveaway for one of you guys because I have so many kind of illuminating stuff like liquid highlighters and like glowy primers to put on before my makeup. I think one of you will get better use out of that. So I'll put that into my giveaway box for yous. What else do we have in here? There's quite a few products in here. Ooh, okay, so the next one is super exciting because it's a makeup product. This is from the Balm. This is the Petal to the Metal eyeshadow. Ooh, okay. And the creamy, buildable and easy to blend. Okay, so I wasn't expecting that. So this is what it looks like. Super, super cute. And then when you open it, that is the colour there. That is really, really pretty. It does look like it's going to be a cream colour. Like it's a cream. I wonder if it's like a cream to powder. Yeah, cream eyeshadow, makes sense. Again, I'm going to put this into a giveaway for one of you guys because I know that you will get more use out of it as well. Then we have this Medic 8. This is the Hydrate B5 Liquid Rehydration Serum. This is a 10ml sample, so it just looks like this. And let's see what this says. So it's a hyaluronic acid and panthenol. Vitamin B5 basically. Brings long-lasting hydration for a plumper, smoother complexion. It's cruelty-free, vegan and free from any artificial fragrances. So it just says, after cleansing, massage 6 drops of the serum across your face and neck, and it's suitable for both AM and PM. Again, I'm going to pop this into a giveaway box for you because I have so much skincare stuff. It's just actually crazy. So I'd rather somebody get use out of it instead of me just hoarding it in a box or in my cupboard like what I'm doing at the moment. And then the last but certainly not least is the Avant Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. I'm pretty sure this was the one that was like super, super pricey. That was got like a little sneaky preview mentioned in last month's box. So this fights the signs of aging. It's a luxurious Avant eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver long-lasting moisture and combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles and eye bags. The one thing that I don't have like a stupid like amount of a stash of is eye creams. I find that I don't really buy them that often, so I'm definitely going to be trying this bad boy out. And it has a little January sneak peek on the back. This is the SVR Hydroline Rich Intense Moisturising Cream, 40ml, and it's worth £15. So that's a little sneaky preview of what is going to be in the January box. So yeah, that is everything that you get in this box. I will leave everything linked down below if you want to know prices and all that kind of good stuff as well. But yeah, thank you so much to Lookfantastic for sending this across to me, and I love you all so much. Thank you so much for my patrons for all of your love and support as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll hopefully see you probably tomorrow for a brand new video. I love you so much. Bye guys.